So you're looking to upgrade the exhaust on your Mustang, Cobra, or Mach 1? Don't quite know what to go with? You come to the right channel, my friend. What's going on, guys? So I'm about to get a quick pull in the Mach 1. So I'm just gonna set up the camera here on the side of the road and do a couple of passes so you guys can hear what the exhaust sounds like as I pass by. And also I'll update you on the description as to what my setup is currently. I hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to get a couple of good passes. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. I tried to do about 4 or 5 good decent passes for you guys so that you can get an accurate depiction as to what my current exhaust setup sounds like. So with that being said, my current exhaust setup, SLP Loudmouth 1 Catback with the off-road BBK X pipe. In terms of your exhaust, for those of you who are considering modifying and or upgrading your current exhaust setup, whether that be you currently have factory and you're considering going with an aftermarket, or if you have an aftermarket and you just want to go with a different brand. There's a couple of things to understand here. A lot of it is going to be subjective. So I have one person that might like SLP and another individual who may hate it. So SLP Loudmouth 1 or 2, Lasani, Borla Attack and Borla Stinger. Actually, I think that's it. I think it's those 3. Most of the time, people are going to mix that with an off-road H or an off-road X pipe. Difference in terms of sound. The off-road X pipe makes a louder, raspier sound, and an off-road H pipe is going to make more of a lower, rumbling type of sound. So here in the near future, I probably will be going with the Borla Stingers with an off-road H pipe. Please comment. Tell me what you guys are considering doing, what setup you like currently, and if you have any questions as to my current setup right now. So with that being said, what you guys can expect in terms of the next video will be unveiling and unboxing of my MGW short throw shifter. In that video, I'm going to be going over what a short throw shifter is, what brands people typically go with. At the end of that, we're going to go ahead and install this short throw shifter. I don't have anyone to hold the camera for me, so it may take a little bit longer. So please consider subscribing and liking this video as well. Stay tuned and welcome to the Mach Life.